The iTail 100-watt solar panel kit provides a robust power solution with its high output, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or as a reliable backup during power outages. With a conversion efficiency of up to 21.5%, this solar panel outperforms many standard panels, ensuring efficient energy capture even in less than optimal light conditions. Designed to accommodate a wide range of devices, this solar panel comes equipped with multiple output options, including USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, making it versatile for various charging needs. Its foldable and portable design, complemented by waterproof features, makes it a convenient and durable choice for camping or any outdoor activity. The use of advanced composite ETF film enhances light transmittance and extends the service life of the panel, ensuring long-term usability and performance. The kit includes a variety of accessories and adapters, ensuring you have everything needed for immediate use, backed by responsive customer service for any inquiries.